Good Wednesday morning, everybody. It's Jackie Thurman, Century 21 Broughton team. I'm here with Jason Meininger with Thompson Kane Company. He's going to talk with you guys today about loan programs that they have and kind of what their business is about. And we'll kind of go from there. I'm going to turn it over to Jason, and he can take it from here. Hi, Jason. Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Jason Meininger here, Thompson Kane Home Loans. We are your home loan partner. I'm serving Northeast Missouri, but I'm licensed in Missouri and Illinois. So both sides of the bridge, you all have mortgage needs. You can reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help. Thank you for having me come on today and share some information.
Absolutely.
Jackie Thurman here. She's the expert, and she does have some really, really good information on Facebook with some live chats and helpful tips and suggestions. So I would encourage people that are looking to buy or sell to look into that information. Free advice is great, and she's got plenty of it there for you. So if you're thinking about selling your home, we were just talking, it's really, really busy. There is no supply, and it's all demand. So please reach out. I know that people are moving quick, so just let her know how you can sell and sell fast, and she'll take care of you. But with regards to me, obviously, my goal here is to take care of financing, and I'm more of the person that's going to take care of people that don't have your traditional 20% down. And I've got some great loan programs out there with low down payments, fixed rate loans, and things that facilitate different credit scenarios, especially those that need to be a little flexible with underwriting when it comes to maybe bumps in the road with credit, or just not the financial resources that some people think they need when buying a house. So interest rates are going up. I would encourage you to actually, we do not looking to maybe buy today, but here in the short term, we can lock rates for a longer period of time than what you may think, and that might give you a position to where you know your rate, even if you're not going to act here for another month or so. So definitely reach out and let me know. But with that being said, the market is busy. 3 loan programs I just want to talk about today that I think are really useful in today's situations. Number one is USDA. And USDA finances 100%, so there's no down payment needed. Most of Marion and Rawls County here is going to be eligible in terms of property as long as you as a borrower meet the criteria. This loan program is for people with low to moderate income scenarios. So it's not, I guess, what you think. There is a max income eligibility. With helping develop rural communities, 100% financing is reserved to help people that maybe wouldn't be in that situation if not for these types of programs. So reach out. Qualification is more flexible than you may think. USDA does say they go down to a 640. I've seen them go lower on credit scores with good compensating factors. So it doesn't have to be perfect credit. It doesn't have to be huge income requirements. These are great flexible programs, and I would definitely encourage you to reach out and see if you're pre-approved. We can find that out for you real quick. To our veterans out there, thank you for your service. Another great 100% program. Eligibility was given to you through your service. As an honorable or generally discharged veteran, you are eligible for 100% financing. And once again, flexible underwriting. They will go down to a 580 credit score on 100% financing. And Fannie Mae has designed this program to help our service people get homes. And like I said, your service is going to give you that. So thank you for that, and feel free to reach out if you are somebody who's currently serving or you are a veteran. There is no mortgage insurance on VA loans, so that's another great feature to utilizing that benefit as a veteran. And if you are receiving disability benefits, they will also waive their funding fees. So there is some really, really great options there for you if you are a veteran, and it's another way to get into a house with very minimal out-of-pocket. Last loan program I want to talk about that's also really popular is FHA. Now, FHA does require a 3.5% down payment, but with your agent, you can negotiate seller-paid closing costs up to 6%. So all those miscellaneous expenses, title fees, insurance, escrows, the things that you also have to pay out of pocket outside of that down payment can be rolled into the transaction so that all you have to contend with is that 3.5% down. With this program, I know that flexibility also goes down to a 580. So if you're in a situation where you're just not sure if you qualify, come see me once again. If we can't get you into a 100% program, we can go all the way down to a 580 on an FHA with 3.5% down. And with our loans, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, and Gus, who underwrites USDA, ultimately determines eligibility. So bank guidelines, things that might get in the way when you go to see an actual bank, we don't have to contend with, because all I'm concerned with is what Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac says. So with that, I just have a lot of flexibility to get things done quickly and also avoid some of the pitfalls that come into when you're dealing with an actual lender or bank, I should say. So, you know, with that being said, I'm kind of looking over my notes here because I'm really nervous and I've never done this before. So let's just go ahead.
You're doing just fine. You're doing just fine. Now, Jason mentioned that he's got, you know, the capability to turn things around really quickly. I can attest to that. I had a client that went through a USDA loan, and from contract to close, we closed it in 20 days. So he did a wonderful job. It was a very smooth transaction. So he's got the resources that can get everything underwritten very quickly and get closed in time. That way we can get these buyers and sellers moved. So.
We have a ton of experience in my office. My team is comprised of people that have been in this industry for a really long time, and we're constantly looking at ways to improve our processes, make things happen quickly. Even applying for a loan is easy. You don't have to walk into a bank and fill out a bunch of paperwork. You don't even have to pick up the phone and call me. I'm honestly not that fun to talk to. No, I'm just kidding. I'm a lot of fun to talk to. But I have an app. I have a web page. Download my app. Go to my web page. Takes a few minutes to fill out some information. I'm immediately notified. I'll get started right away on your application. I'll call you with questions. I try my best to be available to people 24/7. I try my best with my realtors and my customers to always give them ease when they're going through this process, because it is stressful. It's stressful for me, it's stressful for the realtor, and most importantly, it's stressful for the borrower. There's a lot of pieces that need to be put together, and sometimes just being able to talk to somebody at any point in time to know where you stand is huge when going through this. And I strive really hard to give that kind of service, and I will continue to do that regardless of the situation, regardless of whether it's good or bad. We just have to address what's in front of us together and move on from there. So I will always try to maintain that. And yeah, I look forward to any opportunities.
Awesome. And he is local too. So the company is based out of where?
Our headquarters is in Madison, Wisconsin.
Okay.
But we do have several offices in several states. I'm local to Hannibal. And sometimes that's nice. It's nice to be able to hold somebody accountable before and during and after a transaction that you know, and somebody that will, once again, be there for you, even when it's all said and done. If you still have questions, we'll continue to watch rates and things on the market. If there's an opportunity to refinance and get you a better rate down the road, we're going to look into that for you. We're going to do anything we can locally to help build and grow Hannibal. And I know it's big on the agenda. You know, realtors and lenders in this area are constantly trying to create opportunities for growth. And the best way for you to get involved in that is to buy into it. Home ownership is a big part of that, and I look forward to helping Hannibal grow by giving people the opportunity not only to own homes, but to take pride in their community by doing so. And yeah, it's really exciting time. Get involved, buy, sell, just get out there and do it, because it is just a really, really good time to be involved.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Jason, for joining me today. I do have up in the comments, I don't know if they're here, there, or where they're at, but I do have a link to Jason's Facebook page as well. If you need to get a hold of him, send him a message, text, and he can hook you up, like he said, with his app and get you guys rolling on the home loan process. So that is it for today. Thank you guys for joining us. We'll see you again next week. Bye.
Thank you.